What about like everyday expenses like groceries and bills and all of those kinds of things?
If I can use a policy loan or use my system to eliminate or recapture debt for my vehicle, for example, is there anything I can't access funds for? And the answer is no. So everyone's going to have their own kind of process or strategy, how they access those funds and use it for everyday living expenses. But that's something that myself and I think most of our teammates here on the call are doing. I don't currently, I'm happy to say that I don't spend any of my own money. I'm happy to spend the insurance company's money all day long and pump my financial energy back through that system because I'm a co-owner in that business and I'm shopping at my own grocery store.
That's the key, Vern, is where the financial energy is flowing to, regardless of what the expense is.
Right.
Groceries, gas, utilities, property taxes, home insurance, car insurance, it's all money. That's financial energy. If that's flowing away from your system into someone else's, get it back.
Yeah.
Get
Jayson,
it back.
Jayson, that's what Nelson was talking about, right? When he said that he was pumping money into the system in the wrong direction. He was pumping it into the commercial banking system versus a system that he owned and he controlled.
You got it.